Alright, so today is a big day for me. It's pretty exciting because I get to embark on a month-long road trip up the Pacific Northwest. This is a trip that I've been planning for quite some time, so I'm pretty excited about it. But I plan on going up the Oregon coast, up through Washington, into Vancouver, and then once I get to Vancouver, I want to cut over to Banff. That's kind of the main goal for this whole trip, so I've always wanted to go there as a photographer. It's something that I really want to see, so hopefully do some hikes, surf, maybe see some waterfalls along the way. I don't really have too much of a strict schedule or anything like that. I really want to keep it open-ended. That way, I can do whatever I want, take my time about it. I'm just going by myself. I'm taking my 1995 Ford Ranger because it's built for speed.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Just kidding, but it's built for adventure. I just spent some time working on it. I just got a camper shell for it, installed a solar panel, a bed, so it's ready to hit the road. I pretty much mainly just want to keep it as minimal as possible, using iOverlander, free campsites, so I don't have to spend money on hotels, campsites, things like that, unless I have to or want to, or find a cool campsite that I want to stay at. Mainly just using my truck to get me where I need to go and explore and just to sleep in. And that's pretty much it. I don't really have a destination picked out for the first night, so we'll see where we end up. I'm just going to hit the road and try and get out of here early, and then find a good spot to rest for the first night, and then take the adventure from there. But yeah, I'm pretty excited, so enough talking, let's hit the road. So I haven't got far, but I haven't eaten all day. Kind of want to get a snack, so just got here to Stinson Beach. There's a nice little park, so I figured I'd make some little oatmeal granola, little snack to hold me over. But it's a pretty cool park. Look, just sitting over here. There's the beach. So I couldn't have asked for better weather on this first day of this road trip because it's been pretty perfect today. The drive up here was just incredible the whole way. From going to Chico State, I've gone to Northern California 100 times, but every time it's been through Highway 5, so it's nice going through the coast, just staying up Highway 1, get to see the whole coast. Much of it I haven't seen before. Pretty much everything north of Stinson Beach is new to me. I mean, I went to Bodega Bay when I was younger, but I don't remember a whole lot of it. Even going to Point Reyes, I've never been before. Through there, through Tamales Bay. Just saying Tamales Bay just makes me hungry. I don't think they're talking about the same tamales that I'm talking about, but I don't think there's too many tamales out there, but it's gorgeous nonetheless. But yeah, I just made it to Gualala, California. We're near Mendocino, south of Fort Bragg. And yeah, we're just off Highway 1 a bit. Came out here into the woods, got a perfect little spot. You can see we're just right by the river, which is cool. Might go cast some cast some and try and catch a fish later, but we'll see. The only thing is there's a bunch of mosquitoes since we're down by the river, so I hope I don't get eaten alive. But but anyways, I haven't eaten since breakfast, so I'm gonna cook up some food here. Right now I'm just cutting up some veggies. I'm gonna make some ramen. Just some ramen, some veggies, and some chicken. I think the hardest part about, you know, getting everything set up is just like knowing where everything is. And I'm so used to at home just knowing, okay, the sink, water, I know where all these knives are, I know where the pots, the pans are, but you know, I kind of have things in different places, so just getting used to it, I'm so out of my element, it just like takes forever just to set things up. And you know, at home you can't just like decide to do the dishes later. If you want to pack things up, you pretty much have to do it right now, otherwise you can't really leave. But yeah, I mean, I want to, the main thing is I want to cook most of my meals. You know, I want to keep all my meals under $5, around the $3 to $5 range. This meal right here is only going to be $3. If it's going to be more than that, I might as well just be going out, which, you know, I'll do every once in a while. But it's not like I'm, you know, camping for just a few days. Usually when I go camping just for a weekend, I'll splurge on food and it's like a big meal. But since I'm going to be on the road for like a whole month, it's not really sustainable to be doing that every day. All right, bone apple teeth. The only thing I'm missing is some chopsticks. Oh, fuck, it's hot. Except I'm probably sure my roommate Colin would be pretty happy that I didn't take him because we only have like one pair. So maybe I'll get fancy. I'll go eat some Japanese food soon. Give me a pair of chopsticks. But that's it for me today, so cheers to you, cheers to me for the first day. Thanks for watching.